Burbex.
Hi, welcome back to Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration. I'm just on the way home now from an epic exploration that we did at an Art Deco cinema down in the Old Town in Shanghai. It's very loud down here. As you can see, I'm wearing the new Urbex gaiter, not an alligator like a crocodile, but a gaiter to cover up your neck. Very breathable, fantastic, much better than face mask, and you can breathe more easily in this. So be sure to check these out in the ads at the bottom. This place that I've just been to, amazing. There's so much stuff inside, you're not going to be disappointed. Don't forget, if you love urban exploration videos with a China twist, be sure to hit like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to ding, ding, ding that bell for great new videos from Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration, every week. Let's go. This is the third time that I've been to this cinema. Haven't been able to get in here before. But it took me about an hour to get in here. It's Clive Owen and Shoot 'em Up. Audrey Hepburn. I'm not sure about that one. Dr. House. Don't know. Vin Diesel. I don't know, is Vin Diesel sexy? Looks kind of constipated. Cary Grant. Oh, Jean-Claude Van Damme. Julie Garland. Oh, Brad Pitt, of course. True Lies with Arnold Schwarzenegger. So like I said, it took me a long time to get in here and a long time to figure out how to open one of these doors. Looks like the projection booths are upstairs. It's so quiet in here. And it smells like cat shit. That was screen number 6. This is screen number 5. Oh, look at this hallway. This place is so spooky. Look at this, number 5 is wide open. It's silent in here. Doesn't look like anybody's signed this for a long time. There's Wind Talkers with Nicolas Cage. And Con Air also with Nicolas Cage. Got 7 and Die Hard 1. Jesus, this cinema's not that old, is it? Singing in the Rain. Shawshank Redemption. Charlie Chaplin. Sleepless in Seattle. I hate this film. Look, somebody's poked out Meg Ryan's eyes. So I feel about it too. This one looks like a smaller screen. I'm wondering how we can get into those projection booths. Must be a way up there. Yeah, it's a smaller one. It looks like the projectors are still up there. Let's hope we can get up there. Oh look, there's lots of 3D glasses. Oh, it stinks here. Neolithic barbecue for health. I think it's hand wipes. Good to use those actually. Take a couple. Maybe take some 3D glasses too. It's hard to say how long this place has been abandoned, but it can't be more than 10 years because the 3D glasses in here. This place is actually an Art Deco building from the 1920s, which was originally a theatre, but then converted into a cinema later. The foyer in here is supposed to be really nice as well. As far as I know, I'm the only person who's explored this place, and it stinks. Oh, and of course we've got Nightbird's favourite, Titanic. You can see Rosa's had her eyes burned out. I think we're coming out to the main foyer right now. Got to be quieter here. Optimus Prime Autobot. There's all these toys still here. A very common thing in Chinese movie posters is they make the heads of the characters bigger. I think it looks awful. Look all the merchandise they got in there. This looks like it was a restaurant. Oh, there's so many toys. Look, we've got Thor. Age of Ultron Thor toy. Batteries included. Oh shit, let's see if that works. Where's the button?
We are a mighty team. This is Avengers business. Captain, it is an honor to stand with you.
We're winning this one,
Thunder
Avengers!
and lightning are mine to command.
Look, this is a drum game, very popular in China.
Ultron is everywhere!
Oh shit. Some kind of shooting game. Oh, it's got Mario Kart. Look. The Mario Kart arcade game. It's a Mario. I can hear the people right outside. There's so many arcade machines in here. Pleasure of driving. One-armed bandits, that's the word. Wow, this was a serious arcade. In China, you put these coins into the machines, and you pay for a bunch of these coins, and then you can use the machines. So many toys in here. Look at this, there's Jurassic World toys. Some Mercedes. Oh, look, it's a model Audi TT. That's cool. And Monsters Inc. phone cases. Hulk. I think I need to borrow this.
Hulk mad!
Hulk smash! Don't make me angry. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry. Rawr! I think I'd be a pretty good Hulk. Anger management problems. That's my problem. Rawr! This is from Avengers Assemble. I'm not sure who this one is. Is that Hawkeye? No, Hawkeye sucks. I don't know who this is. That looks like a fake Cinderella. Paul Frank bedsheet set. Just what everybody wants. Not me. I don't like Paul Frank. Some fake toys. Green Giant, American Captain, Iron Hero. And it all forms into combination. Yeah, that's pretty smart. Oh, look at this. Fireman's helmet. Bitch. I just found this fireman's helmet. Fire safety is very important in cinemas in China these days. About 10 years ago, our cinema burnt down, killing a whole bunch of people. And so firefighting has become a very important thing in China. I just love the helmet though. When I was a kid, I really wanted to be a fireman. But now I just realise I'm a pyromaniac. Oh, there's loads of wine in here. Look how much wine there is. So much wine. Oh my god, this room is full of it. I don't imagine it's very good though. There's wine absolutely everywhere. This one says Ronan. Chateau de Bois-Chaton, 2011. This wine's probably all crap. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful here. I think that's where the security guard is. This cinema is actually quite famous for its roof. I hope they can get up there. Some nice Art Deco roofing up there. It's another projection room, but this one looks much older. I'm guessing, oh look, this is DLP Cinema Texas Instruments. It's a digital projector. DP2K 20C. But then you got these much older Chinese ones. Song Huajiang 5545. It's so hot in here. This leads out to the upper fire escape. What are we going to do about that? Look, it's like a storage room for old projectors. There's lots of them. They're all this model. Beauty and the Beast. The motherboard center. But it's locked. Do these have movies on them? Looks like a hard drive. Shanghai Film Technology Plant. It's got a movie on it. These are all movies. I Am a Doctor. Well, I'm a bit frustrated I couldn't get to the main foyer. There's a full-size Spider-Man model in there, which I wanted to go and check out, but couldn't get to that. Maybe next time. This has been an awesome explore though. We have found Avengers toys, we found so many arcade machines, one-armed bandits, everything. It was like the perfect explore. Don't forget, if you love urban exploration videos with a China twist, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to ding, ding, ding that bell for great new videos from Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration every week. Let's go.